Dress up a bathroom wall with a Black Stallion Round Mirror by Affirmations Mirrors, available at Italtile. One of the best things about a round mirror is that it immediately adds dimension to a room. Also, the smooth lines help to balance the angular lines of other furniture pieces and fixtures, making round mirrors good choices for bedrooms and bathrooms alike. Assembled in South Africa, Affirmations mirrors are coveted for their use of Pilkington Glass from Lancashire, universally recognized as the holy grail of glass. The Black Stallion Round Mirror, with its decorative black edge and fashionable black leather strap, is securely fitted via keyholes in the frame, not via the belt and wall pin, and forms part of the Pilkington Optimirror range that offers crystal clear color, clarity, and a greater resistance to natural atmospheric corrosion. As with all of Italtile's Affirmations eco-chic mirrors, the Black Stallion Round Mirror carries the Live Green logo, thanks to its sustainable design and manufacture that includes energy-efficient and eco-friendly materials. Make a statement with Black Stallion Round Mirror and its striking high fashion appeal.